Hello, Sagar here. Today in this video, I'll pinpoint exactly on how CNC monitoring works and how it can help you increase your efficiency and reduce your downtimes. So now, first things first, do you really know if your efficiency is right? Are you measuring your efficiency right? Are you aware of actual downtimes in your factory, in your shop floor? If not, then this video is right for you, because I'll tell you on how efficiency is manipulated in many ways, how downtimes are actually manipulated, and how real data, actual facts are not presented, while fraudulent data, doctored data, manipulated data is often presented. So with CNC monitoring tool, you are able to see what is actually happening on your shop floor. Okay, but now the best part is you are in control of how you calculate your OEE, how you calculate your efficiency. In most of the factories, there is a huge bias in how the efficiency is calculated. And many places I have seen that the efficiency shown is actually at 85%. But after integrating a CNC monitoring solution, we've seen that actual efficiency was not even 45%. That was shocking. But we've come to know that that's a common problem between every factory we visited. So how can we solve it? First, a CNC monitoring solution will give you a baseline of what your actual productivity is. It will help you capture downtimes in real time. So operators will forcefully have to put in a downtime when it occurs rather than putting it at the end of the shift. So when the downtimes are being entered in real time, operators cannot give you wrong downtime. So that will mean that when downtime occurs, the exact live downtime is entered. It can be entered through a mobile application, it can be entered through QR code scanner, it can be entered through tablet or even an HMI. The list goes on, it's upon you. Then we will streamline a ISO recognized OEE formula, which is standard to the industry, which does not have any bias, and we will monitor your OEE and efficiency through a non-biased formula in which you are able to see what is happening and where you are losing on efficiency. So now once you start getting the actual downtime and the actual efficiency, you'll know where you thought you were and where you actually are. So once you know what the gap is, then we can start working on it. So then we'll start working on where the downtime is actually happening. Is it because of the man? Is it because of the machine? Is it because of other reasons? So once we know the downtime reasons, we can actually work positively on improving them. Presently, the data you get is many times not factual, and a lot of times we see that breakdown happens maybe at 11 a.m. in the morning, but that is reported to the maintenance team at 4 p.m. in the evening, which will result in a breakdown loss of maybe 1 day or 2 days or maybe even more. So with a CNC monitoring solution, everything happens in tandem. So when there is a breakdown notification given, we will send that notification to the production manager, to the maintenance team, so that they're all in sync, so that there is no communication delay. And with the actual efficiency formulas, the data cannot be manipulated, because data is actually coming from the machines and not the man. Machines do not lie, we know that. So when the actual machine data is coming with the real formulas, the actual factual formulas prescribed by the ISO organization, we are able to see what your actual efficiency is. And then we can divide the efficiency into three parts. There's availability, performance and quality. Then we'll gauge that where we are losing on the efficiency. If it is performance, productivity, then we'll see that why the production efficiency is low. Is it because of high cycle time? Is it because of high loading time? Is it because the cycle time is not made properly? Is it because your program is not made properly? So in that case, we'll analyze if what is your actual rapid time and what is your cutting time. We'll try to reduce the rapid time and increase the cutting time so that your productivity can be increased. If the loading time is high, we can speak to the operator, we can tell the operator that, boss, there has to be some changes need to be done by you, and then that is how we can increase the efficiency in real time. In our experience, we have seen an OEE and efficiency increment of upwards of 25% in more than 75% of companies that we work with. And trust me, I have worked in more than 100 companies to improve or increase our efficiency. If you really like this video, if you found this helpful, share this video with someone who need it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel if you really enjoyed watching us, and if you want to watch more content like this, and write to us if you would like to know more about our solution. Thank you. Have a good one.